Hello, welcome to BGM Podcast. I'm your host Arti, and today we will be talking about an important topic ergonomic risk assessment in Indian banking sector. To begin with the discussion, we have Dr. Kriti, who is an expert physiotherapist having 15 years of experience. Welcome to the show, ma'am.
Thanks for inviting me here, and pleasure is truly mine. I'm also very excited to discuss about how we can make the banking sector more healthy and effective for the employee.
Let's start with the basic things.
Yeah.
What are the basic ergonomic risk which is impacting to banking, like it is concerned of banking sector?
See, if you talk about the ergonomics first, so we should know the definition of ergonomics. Okay, what is ergonomics? Ergonomics is something which is making you feel comfortable, which is making you safe without causing a physical stress. Okay, and banking sector is a place where people are sitting for a long period of time in static posture. Okay, and they are also doing some repetitive movement like transaction, data entry. Okay, and they have to sit longer time on the chair for keeping their knee folded, right? So if I will ask you to sit in this position for a few hours, it might be comfortable for you. But if I will ask you to hold this same posture for hours and hours every day, so your body will start giving you some discomfort, right? So sooner or later you will start having the pain. So banking sector, the people are holding themselves more than 7 to 8 hours in a day, right? So this kind of posture sooner or later convert into the musculoskeletal problem like wrist pain, back pain, knee pain, and elbow pain. So that's why we have to consider it. And I have seen, most of, like, if I talk about my patient, so 60 to 70% of the people, those who are working or connected with the bank, they have, sooner or later they face a back pain problem. So that's why we have to really consider this fact.
Ma'am, could you highlight us some risk factors, key risk factors?
Yeah, definitely. See, if you look at me right now, I'm sitting, right? So my neck is in neutral position. My shoulders are aligned. My core is active. So in this posture, my muscle has to take, minimum load to maintain my balance, body posture. But in bank, the people are sitting not, they can't sit for a longer hours in this kind of posture.
Yeah.
They have to be comfortable and work. Okay. And if I will ask you to work in this posture, you won't be able to do it. So definitely you have to grab your comfortable position. And most of the time, the comfort position is this slouching. Okay. So keeping your shoulder forward. So what will happen in this posture? Okay. So from here to when you slouch here, so the angle will change. So muscle has to take a more load. Okay. So that will cause a strain on the shoulder muscle. Okay. Again, the neck is also connected with the shoulder. So neck muscle will also get some more strain. Okay. And I would like to, give you one try. Like when you will do this, so automatically your neck will, go up. Can you try this? So from here to just, yeah. So now you just slouch a little bit. Yeah. So your neck will go up.
Yeah.
So when it will go up, so your eye level will change. So again, it will cause the stress in your eye muscle.
Okay.
Indirectly, it is impacting to your headache. Okay. Then in bank, the people are more using their elbow muscles for doing some repetitive transaction for data entry things. So it will also cause some, elbow pain. Okay? And when going to office or a job, we wear, proper clothes, formal clothes. Yeah, we don't go in pajamas and night dress or comfy clothes, right? And we have also belt, wearing belt, proper. So in this clothes, when you sit like this for a longer time, so you will start having a shallow breathing. You won't be able to do a deep breath, right? So shallow breathing will also end up making your more core muscle weak eventually. Fine. And I have seen in my OPD, the patients are, complaining about the back pain. So root cause of back pain for them is, almost 60% is this weak core muscle.
Mm.
So it is also one of the risk factor. Now moving to the knee part. Okay. So when we are sitting like this, so chair, so we are folding our knees, right? And that too for the longer time. Okay. I would like to give you an example. हम कहीं पे घूमने जा रहे हैं, तो sitting in a plane or sitting in a, four wheel. Okay. We are preferring to take a break intervals. Why? We want to stretch ourselves. क्यों? हम कुछ नहीं कर रहे, हम सिंपल बैठे ही है, फिर भी हम थक जाते हैं. ट्रैवलिंग causes us, making us feel fatigue. So reason क्या है? We are holding ourselves in one static posture. So same thing will happen over here. Okay, in bank sector also you have to keep your knee folded. Okay, so eventually it will cause the strain on your knee joint. Okay, so you have also seen many times 3-4 घंटे फोल्ड करके बैठने के बाद when you will just get up for the first step, you will just try to keep your head on the knee like just to compensate the pain, or maybe you will lean few steps and then you will start walking normally. So this is the thing that this comes under the risk factor. Okay, when the matter comes to the prolonged sitting, these are the short term risk factor. Now I would like to shed the light on the long term one. Okay, you can see the sample over here. This is the spine. So this is the normal anatomy of the spine, right?
Yeah.
So if you can see, this structure is a vertebra. And the small tiny structure over here, they are the disc. You might have heard many times that the disc, slip disc हो गया,
Yes.
ये हो गया. Yes, it's a very common term. So क्या होता है slip disc में? This is the disc. Fine. So neutrally and anatomically, it is designed like this. Fine. But when you sit in improper posture for the longer time, so this bony part come close to each other. Okay. Now what will happen if they will come close to each other? Can you see this nerve, this red part and the yellow part? Okay. These are the nerves. If they will come close to each other, so this disc, the disc is like a jelly-like substance, wobbly kind of thing. It will definitely compress this nerve. अभी ये compress होने के बाद क्या होगा? So if this will getting compressed, so you will have start paining in your hands. Okay, upper level पे compression है, so patient might complain about vertigo, headache. बहुत सारे patient हैं मैम कान के पीछे पेन जा रहा है. So the reason behind is this compression of the nerve. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं मैम when I'm just holding and just typing so prolonged time, पूरा हाथ में पेन जाता है. I feel that tingling numbness. इसका रीजन क्या है? So getting the nerve compressed from the cervical here. Okay. You must also have heard the medical term sciatica, which is very common. Yeah. So sciatica is what? Getting compression of the sciatic nerve. So sciatic nerve is a compression between alpha S1. So these are the common risk factor. Now, again, I would to like to share a very interesting fact in day-to-day life OPD. The X-ray quality I used to see before, like I used to see in people related like 60 to 70 old people. So the same quality X-ray, I'm seeing it with the 30 to 35 years old patient. That means the younger generation, they are deteriorating towards health rapidly. They started having the degenerative changes early. And what is degenerative changes? Degenerative changes are the age-related changes. Okay, घुटना घिस जाना जल्दी से, spine घिस जाना. So these are the arthritic changes. अभी वो कैसे होता है? ये posture है, continuously ये ऐसे करके बैठोगे. So that will cause the friction. अभी friction जो है, that definitely that will not develop over the night, but we have to take care of it. Okay, so ये friction है. So now you can see the surface is smooth. But what will happen if we will keep continue like rubbing with each other? So they will cause some kind of friction. So वो घिस जाएगा. So ये जो घिसना है, that is what is called degenerative changes. और जो वो घिसता है तो वो सिर्फ हड्डी नहीं घिसती है. It will take the muscles also with you, nerve also with you. So overall it will impact your health, muscular health plus your skeletal health. So musculoskeletal health. Okay, so these are the short term and the long term risk factor which financial sector has to be taken care of.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You have gone too deep to make our listener understand that how the posture itself can affect to
Yeah, definitely
different musculoskeletons.
Yeah.
So, but many of the time what happens is people realize नहीं कर पाते हैं.
Yeah,
understood. And तो उनके लिए हम मतलब क्या warning signs है जो हम उन्हें बता सकते हैं which they can take care of.
See, first and foremost, I would like to say don't ignore any sign or any discomfort. Okay, now if something is happening to your body, if discomfort, if pains, something is there. Okay, do not ignore it. understand your pain and discuss with your physical therapist or your family doctor. Okay, so some of the common warning sign in banking sector employee, I would like to say headache, as I mentioned earlier. Okay, migraines, shoulder pain, neck pain, wrist pain. Okay, tingling kind of sensation, थोड़ा सा जलन होना, burning होना, ऐसा लगता है patient always like ऐसा हाथ मतलब झूठा हो जाता है, समझ में नहीं आता.
Yes.
So these are the symptoms of the compression of the nerve somewhere. Okay, if the same thing will happen to your leg, so you will also feel like the पैर झूठा हो जा रहा है. So this is the early warning sign. Okay, yeah.
So we should be
Yes, we have
we should not be careless when
Yes.
it comes to any kind of pain in the body.
body compression or थोड़ा सा numbness वगैरह. Yeah.
Right. So, could you also help us to know like how this things are affecting to the workplace productivity for employees?
See, if you talk about productiveness, I would like to say the ergonomics is not only impacting physical well-being, it is also impacting mental well-being, right? Uh, if I will give you one task to do it, okay, that you have to do it successfully, what will you do? You need 100% concentration.
Yes.
You need focus.
Yeah.
And when you will be able to focus, when you don't have any pain, when you don't have any discomfort, okay, तभी जाके आप fully concentrate कर पाओगे.
True.
Otherwise your आधा दिमाग तो वहीं पे अरे यार दुख रहा है. So, yeah, so your focus and your concentration will be decreased. ठीक है. So उसके बाद क्या होगा? You will visit a doctor. You will ask for work from home. You will start taking more leaves, sick leaves. So this will impacting the business. So eventually it will lead to your less productivity.
Yeah.
So along with you, the company growth will also decrease. Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Could you also help us to know like what are the proactive steps?
Yeah.
The banking sector should be
Yeah,
look
that's
at-
a very good question. Like, if we know the symptoms, like we know the problem, but we don't know the solution. So, क्या करना है? So, if you want to find the solution, so you have to ask the questions, what and why. Okay, if the organization or if the bank is noticing, like there are so many absenteeism nowadays. The people are complaining about back pain,
Yeah.
shoulder pain. Okay, so complaint has raised. So they have to identify the cause. Okay, is it a workplace setup which is causing the pain or the discomfort to the employee? And if the answer is yes, then definitely you have to work on that. Okay, you have to evaluate like how your banking setup is. Okay, the chair is in proper alignment or not. The desk which you are providing is properly heighted or not. Okay, the level of monitor, the mouse. Sometimes the key is not working. And I have seen, many times the foundation, it does not have a proper chair. Armrest nahi hai, screw nikal gaya hai, the wheel is not aligned. So still the people are sitting on that chair and working for a long time, long extended hours. So these are the impacting factors for them also. Okay, so it will cause the musculoskeletal related disorder. Like, so, periodically evaluation of your workstation is very important. And after evaluation, evaluating what you will do. Evaluate करके छोड़ नहीं देना है. You have to implement it. Provide the proper setup. Chair is a basic thing. Desktop, monitor, anti-glare screen. So these are the proactive. Other than that, always encourage your employee to take a break. Short break. Every 30 minutes you have to take a break. Okay. So break in the sense, I'm not saying कि बाहर जाके घूम के आओ, खाना पीना खाओ. No, it's not that break. Okay. Break in the sense, whatever the posture you are sitting, change the posture. If you are sitting, just get up. If you are doing some work in standing position, you just sit for a while and then do some, half an hour work while sitting. So change the position and do the exercise in between. Some stretch. You learn this stretches exercise and do in between. Do some breathing exercise for your mental well-being because it will also cause you mental stress.
Yes.
Okay. And also they can organize a wellness training program. They can ask, experienced physiotherapists to their center, or maybe they can have ergonomic specialists to evaluate their workstation, and they can, ask them to educate their employee. So these are the proactive that bank can take it.
I hope our listeners will understand.
So this is very basic thing.
Yeah, they will say all of some
Yeah.
things which you have recently talked about.
Definitely.
So also, tell us like how individual employee can take charge of their ergonomic health.
That's a very good question. It's a very important question because you know your health is your biggest asset. Invest in it every day. If you have a good health, you have everything. I'm literally telling you, right? So, what are the steps that you can take? First thing, learn how to maintain a good posture. पता ही नहीं है तो कैसे करोगे? Okay.
Yes.
So learn how to do a good posture, maintain it. Okay. वो पता चल गया उसके बाद you can learn you can consult a physical therapist or maybe your doctors कि what are the self stretch exercise that you can do even while sitting. No need to get up and do it something, you know, but while sitting also what are the stretches, then you will do it or you can do it fine. The third thing is implement a 20-20 rule. So what is that?
Okay.
Like every 20 minutes look 20 feet away and just away from the screen, so just to reduce the eyes strain. Okay, then after that understand the importance of the exercise. Okay, किसी ने बोला डॉक्टर तो बोलते रहते तो हमें ऐसा लगता था कि वो तो बोलते रहते हैं खाना पीना हेल्दी, पता ही नहीं होता क्यों करना है. But you learn if you will not do, what will the consequences you have to face in the future. Okay, so when you're holding yourself posture, okay, for a long time, it will make your muscles fatigue. कैसे? Because उसका जो oxygen level है, blood circulation है, वो धीरे धीरे कम होता है. But when you will sit upright, when you will do the stretching exercise, so automatically brain will reflex some hormone, feel good hormone. Okay, and then feel good hormones are like adrenaline, okay, endorphin, cortisol, dopamine. So they are the feel good hormone. So if you will do the stretching exercise, they will release that hormone. And endorphin also called as natural painkillers. So even if you have some discomfort, this stretching exercise will definitely help you.
Okay.
Understand? And also stay hydrated. That is a key. आपको काम करने के लिए एनर्जी चाहिए. That energy you are taking from your food. Okay. But what about the muscle? Nobody asks about the muscle. Muscle को भी तो कुछ चाहिए. Okay. So what do you need? What your muscle need? Okay. Proper nutrition, protein. Okay. And then water. That is really very important role of the water with the muscles. देखा होगा आपने बहुत बार कि एकदम से क्रैम्प आ जाता है.
Yeah.
Why? क्योंकि जब ऐसे टू व्हीलर पे बैठने जाते हैं थोड़ा सा ओवर हो मूवमेंट करते हैं एंड देन यू विल हैव अ क्रैम्प बिकॉज ऑफ द इम्बैलेंस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोलाइट एंड द वाटर. Okay, so that will make your muscles healthy. So if you're working in bank sector or if you're working in front of the desk for a longer time, that it is your responsibility also to make yourself healthy.
Thank you, Doctor. You have shared such an important, rule of the 2020 and how staying dehydrated can affect to small things, which is leading to some big issues in the muscles.
Yeah.
Ma'am, let's talk about the real world context. Are there any leading banks जो ये सब चीजें implement कर रहे हैं?
So definitely, I would like to give example of Bank of Maharashtra. Okay, so Bank of Maharashtra, they recognize a growing issue in this bank. Related musculoskeletal disorder. So now every now and then the people are just complaining about the back pain and they have noticed absenteeism. Okay, so overall work productive reduction ratio. So they thought to change the workplace setup. Okay. They provide designated chair with a nice curvature with the lumbar support. Okay, and then proper heighted desk, keyboard. Okay, and so by improving this work setup, they could really see a positive result in employment and their health related to their health issue. The another structure they adopt was 30 minutes break. As I mentioned earlier, every 30 minutes you have to get up, you have to do some exercises, change the movement. Okay, and after that they arrange one wellness program in which they also included a periodical evolution of the workplace, and they educated their employee about the exercises and the stretching
Okay.
how they can implement while sitting also. These are the parameters give benefit to their employee.
So it was a like well-rounded approach
Yes,
from an employer
yeah.
for their
So,
employees. Yeah.
very basic,
Yeah.
but it is very crucial.
Yeah.
It's very important. So you definitely will see the results not immediately, but definitely eventually.
So it sounded like a rounded approach. Did banks see any measurable benefits?
Yeah, in fact, the results were quite amazing because they were also surprised, like changing in this much, taking this much small steps toward ergonomic can give this much benefit. Like
Yeah.
definitely, you got a good setup, work setup. Okay, so the absenteeism has decreased, your overall productivity has increased, so the company revenue will increase. Okay,
Yeah.
so this is a positive result. They got it.
Impressive outcome we could understand from what information you have shared. Are there any other notable examples of bank you would like to share with our listeners?
So bank in the Chikmagaluru city, they tried a different approach. They also tried to include a technology in this. Okay. So now the technology is AI, artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence, how can you take the help of the artificial intelligence to improve your ergonomic setup? So it is a device. So they gave that's a small device to each and every employee. So you have to wear it. And the system will track your muscle or your movement. Okay. So the system will giving a reminder to every 30 minutes to get up and change the position or just to take break, stay hydrated. And it was, also giving a vibration sensation whenever they were just holding a wrong posture. So that is a preventive, like whatever is going to happen in the future. So in advance, only they are taking the preventive measurement for that.
Yeah.
So that is a really good approach. Yeah, and that is a really good uh, just taking a benefit of the artificial intelligence. And the second thing, the approach they implemented was a flexible workplace. Okay. If you will see around, not everybody has it same posture. Okay. If you will see, observe my posture and your posture is completely different. Some are tall, some are, short. Some has a round neck, some has a tall neck, some has a flat back. Okay. So anatomically, we all are different, but they give a flexibility to their employee to choose their workstation as per their comfortable level and their work habits. So that is also, a good approach towards your well-being and for your employee.
That AI thing
Yeah.
talked about, the device which is provided to all the
Yes. Employee. And
workplace
it's a very smart
innovative
It
technology.
is also, yeah. So that way also, you can increase the engaging rate and the retention rate.
How this kind of initiatives are impacting to performance of an employee.
See, it's something like organization is doing something for you. Okay. So you also feel good.
Yeah.
And your responsibility will also
Yeah.
increase. Okay. I would like to say, grow the good seeds today and enjoy your fruitful harvest tomorrow. Okay. So there's other like seeds and they really enjoy their harvest. Okay. Because employee were happy. So it will impact overall, uh, growth. Okay. So retention rate has increased. Most, the people were engaged. Okay. And again, absenteeism has decreased. So this is, not directly, indirectly, it is a, growth of the company.
Okay. Hopefully, the viewers or the employees who are seeing this discussion should implement these things which are really helping to the productivity and
Definitely.
it is also taking care at personal level of employees. Hopefully, like we would see this in future. Ma'am, this technologies, ये सब मतलब banks who are able to afford, it is good for them. But क्या हम छोटे banks के लिए मतलब how this resources will be available for small banks?
That's a really good question, and that's a really practical question.
Yeah.
I understand not every bank has the same budget as the multinational bank, but there are still so many traditional way that we can still adopt that. Okay, so few of them फिर कुछ भी invest नहीं करना है. So at least basic chair दे दो. So basic chair you will need. Okay, not that fancy chair or the lumbar support chair, but the basic chair. So what are the other things that you can do for your employee? Okay, chair, proper desktop, okay, and then keyboard, and then proper screen, anti-glare screen, okay.
Yeah.
And what if you don't have a proper chair? So how you can compensate it? Okay, so this is a pillow, right? Right now we are also supporting as a sticking a pillow and sitting with the support. Why? That support will definitely decrease the stress on the lower back.
Yes.
So if you don't have the chair with this spine curvature, at least try to take a pillow. Okay, so and if you don't have pillow, at least take a bed sheet and just make a roll and then put it here in the lower back. So what will happen? It will, reduce the disc pressure. When you are sitting like this, for example, okay, so this posture will increase the disc pressure on that spine, and eventually it will push that jelly, as I mentioned earlier here. So it will come out. But when you will keep this pillow here, so 20% it will reduce the stress. So you can use a pillow. So this is a very simple. Okay. The second thing, you can have a training session. Okay. Call the physiotherapist and learn. Just learn for the first time. And then after that, you can make a chart or you take a images. You can stick it to the wall. Okay. And this is our mentality. सब कर रहे हैं ना तो अच्छा ही होगा, चलो हम भी करते हैं.
Yeah.
Okay. So motivation चाहिए हमें.
Yes.
आप करो तो हम भी. So when you will see those picture in front of you, so you will also get motivated कि हाँ exercise करना है. So इसमें तो ज़्यादा expense है ही नहीं. The third thing is you can ask all the employee. Nowadays everybody is using a smartphone.
Yeah.
Okay. So ask them to install some app which will give you reminder every 30-40 minutes. You have to set a reminder. Just get up, take a break, do this, have water. So these are the very simple way, but still they are very effective. लगने के लिए छोटा ही है कि कुछ नहीं है ये, but it will give you really good outcome.
So like you say,
Yeah, इसमें तो कोई ज़्यादा expense है ही नहीं.
like you said that we Indian, we people, like, we get motivated and we get encouraged by
Yeah.
seeing, the other person. Yeah.
ऐसा इसीलिए कि chair भी fancy नहीं है, simple chair जैसे कि ये वाला है. So how you will compensate?
Yes.
Pillow रख दो, कुछ support रख दो. Okay.
So जब एक employee देरिया होता है तो दूसरा भी मतलब
When you are sitting and doing some work, so take a half an hour session in standing position.
Yeah.
Or maybe, some conversation you can just, while having coffee or while having tea, just walk around. And that time you can have it. So these are a very small approach, but it is practical one. So with that, you don't need to have a big budget and all.
yes. So this tips, like, I think every small bank,
Yeah.
we talked about like how the small bank will afford it. And you have shared some important, small things.
Exactly.
Everyone can implement it.
Yeah.
Ma'am, we have explored risk, case studies, economic impact, and the ergonomic solutions for banking professionals. But let's shift our focus to force, like what kind of trends are there जो future के लिए मतलब workplace में impact करते हैं.
It is a futuristic
approach in ergonomics.
That's really good question because the next era is all about AI,
Yeah.
artificial intelligence, right?
Yes.
And AI is an era of, rapid innovation and transformation. Okay. So to keep up moving forward, we have to adapt the changes. Okay. And AI is not a trend or fashion.
Yeah.
It's all about reshaping your life, your thinking process, and how you are connecting to the real world. So this is all about AI. So in future, we have to, definitely accept this kind of technology. Okay. For our benefit only, for our personal gain only. So some of the bank has also decided to adopt this approach. So in that, there are few of I would like to mention is AI driven power monitoring. So what is that? It is a computer vision. Okay. So as I mentioned earlier, like the people are wearing a small, device. So so they throughout the day they are tracking their movement. Okay, and they are giving them reminder. So what the movement they have to take care of before the discomfort sets. So it is a kind of prevention before something happen. So it is giving you reminder. So now we are going to the false posture, correct it. So it is the preventive measurement. Also, they have tracking. Okay. So while that track you can go through every day, and you have a goal in front of you, like I have to work on my muscles, I have to do this, and they have a data of this person is using this muscle more, this person is causing more strain on this shoulder muscle or the elbow muscle. Okay. So while that you can correct that posture, or you can work the exercising on that particular muscle.
Yeah.
So it is giving you a real time feedback.
Yeah.
Okay. So that is the first thing. And the second, many companies nowadays using a ergonomic well designed chair. उसमें आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना है, जाके सिर्फ बैठ जाओ. So what they will do, everything they will adjust themselves. Okay. If you are short, if you are tall, सब कुछ आपके हिसाब से adjust करेंगे.
Yeah.
Okay. Arm rest, head rest, foot rest. If you are short, they will give you a nice foot riser. Okay. Also, they will just raise the monitor level. So that's a stand. So automatically it will just observe your eyeball movement, and they will automatically set up that monitor. So this is what the technology is. You don't have to do anything. You have to be relaxed. You have to be calm. You have to go and sit. Then they will do it.
Yeah.
So another one is, I said earlier, wearable tracker. So Amazon पे भी मिल जाएंगे. Okay. That you can wear it in elbow, leg, bell. So periodically it will give you reminder. It will vibrate. So when you will slouch, it will give you vibration. So you will sit straight.
Yeah.
So this is also very, nowadays is a relevant devices. It's a very small and discreet device.
Yeah.
So, and it is, cost effective. So you can also approach this.
Yeah.
And then apart from that, as I said earlier, corporate wellness program. ये तो होना ही चाहिए.
Yeah.
Okay. Physiotherapies, जो physical consultant होते हैं, उनको बुलाइए. So they will teach you the importance of the exercise. If you will not do, then the consequences of the
happening.
So
Yeah.
educated, because this is not your area. You don't know you just know the symptoms. मुझे यहाँ पे दर्द है, मुझे यहाँ पे क्यों हो रहा है? You don't know. मेरे पास बहुत सारे ऐसे पेशेंट आते हैं जो बोलते हैं कि ट्रीटमेंट के लिए आते हैं, ट्रीटमेंट लेते हैं, एंड अगेन वापस से थोड़े दिन में वापस आ जाते, मैम अगेन आई हैव स्टार्टेड हैविंग पेन, बट दे डोंट नो द रूट कॉज, right? So definitely you will have the pain again and again. So find the root cause, key what you have to do. So education is very, very important. So learn what you can avoid.
Yeah, we agree to it. And we are somewhat aware about, virtual reality, VR.
Yes, definitely.
So what, how it is helping for the development?
VR is virtual reality. Again, it's a trend. Okay. VR is a device that you can wear it, and you can really enjoy that actual environment by adjusting your desk, your chair, your monitor, your screen as per your comfort level. So it is a gamifying learning. And when you have something excited, मतलब हमें कब excitement लगता है, आज कुछ नया होने वाला है. Just find something fascinating, you will also feel good. So this is something new. So new technology. So the people, the employee will also enjoy it. Okay. So it will increase the more engagement rate.
Yes.
Yeah. Productivity.
Yeah, we agree to it.
Yeah, exactly. So मतलब बच्चों की तरह हमें भी एक्साइटमेंट हो जाता है, या इन आवर ऑफिस वी आर जस्ट डूइंग दिस इज समथिंग न्यू. या सो रिटेंशन रेट भी बढ़ जाएगा कंपनी का, ओवरऑल ग्रोथ बढ़ जाएगा.
मैम कुछ लाइक गवर्नमेंट रेगुलेशंस है जिसके ऊपर आप लाइट करना चाहेंगे?
Yeah. See, if I'm not wrong, OSHWC Code 2020 is a regulation by government, and by 2025 they have to implement the safety measure of the like ergonomics. So by that law, I think they have to do a periodically audit for the workstation design. Okay, and they have to take the safety measurement just to avoid the penalties.
Okay.
The government, it will enforce the organization to take the focus. Of first focus should be the employee well-being. So these are the government, they're trying to implement by 2025, I guess.
Ma'am, let's talk about the solutions, because we have discussed risk, trends, and strategies for improving ergonomic in banks. We would like to know like how banks performs this tele physiotherapy, health apps in
One like app you want to,
in workplace ergonomics.
Okay. So this is very good question actually. आई वुड लाइक टू स्टार्ट विद हमारा प्रॉब्लम क्या है पता है? जब हमें थोड़ा-थोड़ा पेन होता है ना, वी इग्नोर इट।
Yeah.
ओके, सो इन माय ओपीडी आई हैव ऑलवेज पेशेंट लाइक कि जब पेन स्टार्ट होता है ना, इग्नोर। कुछ ये किया, वो लगा दिया, आइस लगा दिया, लाइक कर दिया, इग्नोर। मगर जब एकदम दे हैव एक्सक्रूसिएटिंग पेन, पूरा दौड़ के आएंगे, मैम अभी कुछ कर लो क्योंकि बहुत पेन बढ़ गया है, आई वांट फिजियोथेरेपी राइट नाउ, मतलब ऐसे करके। बट दे डोंट टेक द प्रिवेंटिव मेजरमेंट। ओके, यस। मगर जब होता है ना, तब हम दौड़ के आ जाते हैं। सो दैट इज अ प्रॉब्लम। सो ये चीज के लिए क्या है ना, ऑल्सो व्हेन दे हैव अ प्रॉब्लम ना, दे विल कम। फिर क्या होता है, दे विल टेक द ट्रीटमेंट, और फिर आफ्टर 2-3 सेशन दे विल डिसकंटिन्यू कमिंग बिकॉज दे फील गुड, but they didn't complete the protocol. Okay, the physiotherapy is not just about the consultation, or it's not just about the writing the prescription and then you can take the medicine and then you will be okay. No, it's not like that. It is, physiotherapy is a structural approach where you have to start with first is pain relief. Okay, the second is stretching exercises, and then you have to do a strengthening exercises so that we can avoid this injuries in future.
Yeah.
Okay, so it is a proper rehabilitation. So patient discontinue कर लेते हैं. So when we ask like why did you discontinue, and then थोड़े दिन बाद वापस आते हैं, मैम वापस पेन आ गया. So then we ask him, then why did you discontinue coming? Okay, so बोलते हैं टाइम नहीं है. So time is the nowadays maybe it is excuse or whatever it is, negligence or whatever, but time नहीं होता है. Okay, so there come this virtual physical therapy consultant come. Okay, most of the time clinical, you have seen the clinic timing like 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. or maybe 8 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Yeah.
But those who have a very hectic schedule, they can't really they match up their time with the rehab centers. Okay, so by using this app, you can consult your physical therapist or maybe your fitness consultant even after your working hours. You have that flexibility. Okay, if you are so much occupied with your work, so you can also have a session with them while you are taking a break. As I mentioned, just take every 30 minutes, a break. So you can also chat with them, you can discuss your problem. And basically what will happen when you will have this kind of platform, they first understand your problem. Okay, they evaluate, they will take proper assessment where you have from, since when you have, okay, what is the history. So this is a proper detailed assessment, and after assessing they will manage and they will prepare tailored exercise protocol for them, and each and every steps they will guide you meticulously. Okay, and when you have feeling that someone is there for you, someone is there to give a direction, to help you continuously, you always feel motivated. So मेरे पास ऐसे बहुत पेशेंट आते हैं जो बोलते हैं मैम आधा दर्द तो आपको देखते ही कम हो जाता है, या आधा दर्द तो आपसे बात करके ही कम हो जाता है. सो दैट फीलिंग यू विल हैव कॉन्स्टेंटली. अभी ऐसे बैठे, कुछ गलत हुआ, पेन स्टार्ट होगा, यू कैन हैव अ चैट, यू कैन आस्क देम, मे आई डू दिस, is it the reason for my pain, what are the precautions that I can take it. So they will continuously help, and even you can do the video consultation with them. Okay, so take the prior session, like at this time we can do the video consultation. They will demonstrate some exercises and they will ask you to do in front of you also. So this is a big benefit for them, those who can't really everyday visit to the centers.
Yeah.
Okay, and again the question will come in your mind, तो फिर मैं गूगल पे ना देख लूँ, क्यों ऐप डाउनलोड करूँ, क्यों पैसा खर्च कर, whatever. ओके, तो मैं गूगल पे देख लेता हूँ. तो गूगल पे सर्च कर दो बैक पेन के रीजन, एंड नंबर ऑफ एक्सरसाइज यू विल गेट. ओके, आज लोग करते ही है सब कुछ, मतलब बिफोर कमिंग टू अस दे विल गूगल, दे विल बिकम अ डॉक्टर,
Even they will use ChatGPT.
so they will they will take इंटरव्यू कि मैम जो भी है वो ठीक है या नहीं है. तो गूगल पे मतलब you will have a good number of exercises, but why you don't have to do it? Because your problem is back pain, but you have to understand the reason behind it.
Cause, yeah.
Everybody has a different, back pain is just the symptoms.
Yeah.
some of the back pain, in that pain you have to do the exercise in which you have to bend. And some of the problem you only have to do, go back. So that your fitness trainer will help you or the physical therapist will help you. You don't know. Generic exercise में होगा ये करो वो करो ये करो ये करो. And सबसे important है when to do the exercise. Not necessary कि आज pain start हो गया and start doing the exercise. That will aggravate the pain. Majority of the people doesn't even know कि exercise कब करना क्या है ये exactly. So बहुत सारे पेशेंट आते हैं, पेन हुआ मैम मैंने ना मसाज किया था उसके बाद बढ़ गया, मैम इन स्पाइट ऑफ हैविंग पेन आई हैव डन दिस एक्सरसाइज और फिर उसके बाद है ना पेन और बढ़ गया बिकॉज दे डोंट नो व्हेन टू डू एक्सरसाइज. So there where the virtual physical consultant come. Okay, they have a tailored program. So this is the first phase of exercise. You only have to limit the exercise like up to this extent. The second phase is like go gently, increase the exercises, okay, stabilizing the core exercises. And then the approach come for the strengthening. So you will increase the capacity of the muscle so that it will prevent the further injury. Okay. I would like to give you example. सब्जी लेने जा रहे हो, ओके, जितना सब्जी लेना है उतना ही बैग लेके जाओगे, उससे ज़्यादा भर दोगे तो डेफिनेटली वो टूट जाएगा, राइट. सो द थिंक कि स्ट्रेंथनिंग एक्सरसाइज विल डू द सेम. ज़्यादा काम करना है, बैंकिंग सेक्टर में हो, लॉन्ग आवर सिटिंग जॉब है, सो यू हैव टू ट्रेन योर मसल्स. ओके, एथलीट हो तो उसके लेवल से स्ट्रेंथनिंग एक्सरसाइज करो, हाउस वाइफ हो तो उसके लेवल से करो. सो यू हैव टू you need to know basically this protocol so that digital platform will definitely guide you each and every steps.
We have covered a lot of things like how understanding of the risk and in the real life cases, the real life cases for banking sector and the impact of it and the innovative solutions for the future trends. Maybe our viewers would be excited to know like how practically we could do something. So could you please upon request could you demonstrate something, at least sitting while sitting, what we can do, what kind of exercise we can
I would love to, definitely.
Yeah.
If you are just just talking about the problems, then definitely we should talk about the solution. Like, what is the solution is? As I mentioned very first earlier, okay, this is my posture. Okay, but if you will ask you to hold this posture, हम रोबोट तो है नहीं.
Yeah.
कि ऐसे बैठे रहेंगे. Knowingly or unknowingly we will adapt this posture. या तो आप वर्किंग कर रहे हो, या तो आप सोफा पर टीवी देख रहे हो, या आप कुकिंग कर रहे हो, या आप ड्राइविंग कर रहे हो. So this is the forwarded posture while driving, while cooking, while sitting. You will adapt. Okay. So what is the solution? The solution is that every 30 minutes, 40 minutes, or 1 hour, just sit upright. Okay. Sit upright, core will be active. That is the first correct thing you have to do it.
Okay.
The second one is correct your shoulder blades. Okay. Do this. So this is the correction. And after that, we are overusing this forward muscles. So we have to correct them by doing it back side. Okay. So after doing this stretch, you have to hold at least for 5 seconds. Understood? I'm just again, explaining you.
Yeah.
So we are sitting in this comfortable position. So we correct it, corrective. Okay. The second one is the shoulder. The shoulders are going backward.
Yeah.
Okay. Hold for 5 seconds and then relax it. Okay. First correction exercise.
Yeah.
Second one. When you are going close to the monitor, definitely your shoulder will droop.
Also moving.
Yeah. So you have to level up, elevate your shoulder. So that compensation will happen with this exercise. Okay.
Yeah.
So do these exercises. So this is the second correction of the exercise. The third and very important exercises, as I said, like when you are, sitting this posture, so continuously this bony prominence will come close to each other and cause the friction, right? So you have to do this chin tuck exercise like this. Okay. So you don't have to look down. You have to do when you will able to see your double chin. So this is a chin tuck exercise. This will definitely help you to open that foramen, the canal. Okay, so that will increase the blood circulation. Okay, and number of times I tell my patient, if you don't do anything, just keep moving your ankle. Ankle pump exercise. Move up and down every 1 hour because calf muscles are considered as our second heart. They plays very key role in pumping the circulation. So nothing but keep moving your ankle just up and down. Okay, fine. So these are the basic exercise. The another for the shoulder level, we are those who are using the keyboard again and again. So we have to grab this angle. Okay. So what do you have to do? Just take your hand and then just stretch it this way. This is the angle. So it will give you the stretch to your back shoulder capsule. The same way repeat to the other side. Okay. And then the next one is जब हम वो बैठ के जब सब टाल जाते तो we are just doing this, right?
Yeah.
So this is a basic stretch. Sit tall and just tuck your tummy in. That's it. So these are the basic stretching exercise that every half an hour you can do it. Okay, so well, it is not just require a lot of time.
Yeah.
And there is no excuse of time. Even if I was talking to you, I was doing this stretch.
Yeah.
So while talking to someone, also you can do this stretch in between.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah. So we see how small,
Yes.
sitting exercise could create a big impact and save the health of the musculoskeletons. Yeah.
Definitely.
Thank you so much, Dr. Kruti ma'am. You have been really, having expertise and you have, answered our lot of queries and given a lot of exercises and information which will definitely help the employers and employee at their personal, growth. So, ma'am, before we wrap up, do you have any final thoughts? And could you please summarize everything in short for our listeners?
Yeah, definitely. See, all in one, I would like to say ki why we have to wait for something to happen.
Yeah.
Why don't we take the precaution? Okay. So just understand your discomfort, your pain, okay, and start doing or accepting that preventive measure today itself. Because I believe that prevention is always better than prescription. Okay.
Wow.
So uh do the exercises, stay hydrated, keep yourself healthy. If you have any confusion or if you don't know anything, then ask your physical therapist. Okay, because these small, steps today will make huge impact tomorrow.
Yeah, okay. It was a very wise word. Thank you so much. And we believe that, the thing you said, like simple changes could make a big difference. And you have also demonstrated, small exercise which could really make the, impact to every individual and their, health of muscular skeletons. Yeah. So thank you so much. It was a great, discussion with you.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah. Thank you so much for the listeners for staying tuned. We will see you in the next episode.